Okay, and here's our new Seymour video and his messy, 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 messy. Look at the mess. Because he's learning to eat real food. And he still gets some formula, even though he doesn't like it anymore. He's got lots and lots of feathers. And he looks so pretty. He's got a big tail. Now watch. Go in. Close up. Can you get it? You just gonna stand there? You should be used to this. There's a big boy with his pretty feathers, his big belly. And that is weaning gruel. But if you're a baby bird, it's yummy. Okay. Bye-bye.